This channel is get 395k subscribers in just 2 months. And this channel is getting millions of views. Also, an Instagram page got 82.9k followers, just 64 videos in a month. This shows that these videos are super popular right now. Don't worry, I will explain you everything step by step. Second step is go to ChatGPT and give them a prompt to create would you rather questions for your videos. Now the ChatGPT is generating the content for your videos. Go to canva.com and create a new design. First, we need to divide the screen into two sections, blue and red. Go to add signs, then elements, then select the square shape. Add a square shape to the screen, then resize the square to occupy half of the screen and modify its color to red. Next, hold the Alt key and drag the red square downwards to duplicate it. Then select the shape and change the color of the shape. Lastly, include another square shape. Take a square and expand it to cover the right and the left sides of the screen. Resize it to fit the center of the screen. Then change the color into black. Create a circle shape and position it in the middle of the screen. Go to Add button and add the text on the circle. Include the word or and adjust its size to fit neatly inside the circle. First, let's include the top choice for our earlier ChatGPT, which were pizza and burger. Then add the images. Then adjust the image. We will going to make the text really stand up by adding a cool effects. Then add the text and change the color into black. Adjust it in the mid. Then copy and paste and change the text. Adjust it in the mid. Then add the percentage and change the color of the percentage. Then copy and paste. Finally, let's head over to the animation selection and add to the tumble effects to both sides. This will make them more interesting and engaging to watch. Then let's shorten the percentage time. Each percentage appears by 0.3 seconds. Now it's time to play the video. We will also use sound effects like a ticking clock to make it fun to watch.